Welcome to this guided meditation for manifesting wealth and abundance. This is your time to relax, let go, and align with the energy of wealth that is already yours. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Hold it gently for a moment. And then exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, imagine yourself waking up in the most luxurious, peaceful space you could ever dream of. Feel the soft, plush bedding beneath you. The sunlight filters in through large windows, warming the room with a golden glow. You feel a deep sense of calm and security, knowing that your life is abundant and overflowing with wealth. Take a moment to look around this space in your mind. Notice the fine details, the textures, the colors, the sounds. Perhaps you hear the faint hum of a breeze or birds singing outside. Everything here reflects the prosperity you have created. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in a vibrant green energy. Picture this green aura surrounding your entire body. It is warm, bright, and full of life. With every inhale, you bring in opportunities, abundance, and wealth. With every exhale, you send waves of this energy out into the world. Visualize this energy expanding with each breath. On the inhale, feel it strengthening within you, filling every cell of your being. On the exhale, watch it ripple outward, touching everything and everyone, creating waves of prosperity that return to you multiplied. Now, imagine yourself moving through your day as the wealthy, abundant person you already are. You wake up with no worries about bills or money. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing numbers so large they make you smile with gratitude. Feel the soft leather of your car seats as you drive around town. You're free to do whatever your heart desires. Imagine what that freedom looks like to you. Touch the crisp bills in your hand or the cool surface of your credit card as you effortlessly pay for whatever you desire. Smell the aroma of fresh coffee or the scent of a beautiful bouquet, knowing you have everything you could ever want. Taste the richness of a meal you enjoy without hesitation. celebrating your wealth. This is your life now. You are surrounded by abundance in every form. Now return your focus to your breath. Really draw the breath deep into your core and release it slowly. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. Money flows to me effortlessly and in abundance. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth on its way to me. I deserve and embrace a life of abundance. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Now I invite you to take some time to imagine your reality, full of prosperity and happiness. This is your life. It's already here. Imagine it in detail. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to feel profound gratitude for the wealth you have created. Imagine yourself glowing with the green energy of abundance. It radiates far beyond you, touching every corner of your life. Deep breath in, bringing in even more opportunities and abundance. Hold it for a moment, then exhale, releasing your gratitude into the universe. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of wealth and abundance with you throughout your day.